At the coffee shop, my first job.
It was my first day at my new job. I worked at a small coffee shop near my school. I was both excited and nervous. I had never made coffee for customers before. When I arrived, the air smelled like fresh bread and roasted beans. My manager smiled and said, "Welcome. Let's start with the morning shift." She showed me how to turn on the coffee machine. The steam came out with a soft sound. I felt the warm air on my hands and took a deep breath. The bell on the door rang. A man walked in and said, "Good morning. Can I get a latte?" My heart was racing. I smiled and said, "Sure." I pressed the wrong button at first, but my manager helped me. The milk was frothy and sweet. When I handed him the cup, he said, "Thank you." I was so happy to hear that. A few minutes later, I spilled some milk on the counter. I felt embarrassed and said, "I'm so sorry." My manager laughed softly and said, "It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes." I cleaned it up quickly and kept going. After that, I tried to be more careful. As the day went on, I learned how to take orders, make coffee, and smile at people. Some customers were kind and said, "Have a nice day." Each time I heard those words, I felt a little more confident. The sound of cups and music made the shop feel warm and busy. I liked being part of that place. When the day was over, my manager said, "You did great today." I smiled and felt proud of myself. My hands smelled like coffee, and my heart felt light. Walking home, I thought, today wasn't perfect, but it was a good start.
Thanks for listening to this story. Listen to this story again anytime while you're driving, walking, or working out. See you in the next video.